Learn English easily.
My daily routine as a banker. Every morning, my day begins with the buzz of the alarm clock at 6 a.m. I like to start my day early to have enough time for everything. Stretching in bed, I slowly wake up, feeling ready for a new day. After getting out of bed, I head straight to the bathroom for a quick, refreshing shower. The warm water helps me wake up fully and feel energized. Once I'm out of the shower, I stand in front of my closet and pick out my clothes for the day. I usually choose a neat professional suit and a clean, pressed shirt. I believe dressing well is important as a banker because it shows professionalism and respect for my clients. I complete my outfit with a matching tie and polished shoes. Next, I head to the kitchen to make breakfast. I believe a good breakfast is essential to start the day right. I usually cook some eggs, sometimes scrambled, sometimes boiled, and toast a couple of slices of bread. I pour myself a cup of hot coffee to help me wake up and feel more alert. While eating, I browse through the latest news on my tablet, focusing on the financial sections to see if there are any important updates I should know about. After breakfast, I grab my work bag, which already contains my laptop, a notepad, and some documents I need for the day. I check to make sure I have everything: my wallet, keys, and phone. Then, I say goodbye to my family and leave the house. My commute to the bank involves a short drive. The bank where I work is a large, imposing building in the city center. It's always busy, with people coming and going. I park my car in the employee area and walk through the main entrance. As I enter, I greet the security staff and the receptionist with a friendly good morning. Inside the bank, the atmosphere is professional and busy. I take the elevator to my floor, where my office is located. My office has a large desk, a comfortable chair, and a window with a nice view of the city. I start my day at the office by checking my emails. There are usually messages from clients, updates from my colleagues, and information from the bank's management. I prioritize these emails, responding to the most urgent ones first. After dealing with my emails, I prepare for my first meeting of the day. This is usually with my team. We gather in a conference room, and I lead the discussion. We talk about our current projects, any challenges we are facing, and the targets we need to meet. It's a collaborative atmosphere, and everyone shares their thoughts and ideas. The rest of my morning is often filled with client meetings. Each client has different needs and goals, so I listen carefully to understand how I can best help them. For example, one client might want to save for a new home, while another might need a loan to expand their business. I explain their options, answer their questions, and help them make informed decisions. By noon, it's time for lunch. I usually go out to eat with a few colleagues. We have a favorite cafe nearby where we can relax and enjoy a meal together. It's a nice break from the busy morning, and we talk about things other than work, which helps us unwind and recharge for the afternoon. After lunch, I return to my office to work on reports and analyze data. This part of my day involves a lot of concentration as I look through financial statements, market trends, and other important information. I use this data to make predictions and plan strategies. Sometimes, I also have to prepare presentations for meetings with higher management or training sessions for new employees. As the afternoon progresses, I might have more client meetings or follow-up calls. I always make sure to take notes and update records so that everything is accurate and up to date. At the end of the workday, around 5 p.m., I review my to-do list and set priorities for the next day. I tidy up my desk, shut down my computer, and say goodbye to my colleagues. When I get home, I like to spend time with my family. We might have dinner together and talk about our day. After dinner, I enjoy some personal time, including reading a book, going for a walk, or watching a favorite TV show. This helps me relax and recharge. Before I go to bed, I reflect on the day and think about what went well and what could be improved. I set my alarm for the next morning, grateful for the day and ready to face whatever comes next.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.